Hey guys, Anna's Best Buys here. So I got this sauté pan with a lid. It's a non-stick deep frying pan. Now I believe the size is 28 centimeters and it's 4.3 liters deep. So it is quite a deep, good pan, which for me is perfect size for most dishes that I do cook. And I love the wooden touch. It just adds that extra nicest touch. Now I'm going to start by saying it is not dishwasher safe, so do bear that in mind. However, for me, it is not an issue at all, and I believe it is due to the material, which is that white granite. Now this pan is 5 times durable, non-stick, made from natural granite of 100% material and PFOA free. The inside surface is smooth and ensures excellent non-stick performance, which we're going to test right now. So here I got some steak, which we are specifically going to try frying without any oil. And we also got an egg. So let's try and cook that egg first. Oh wow, honestly, I don't know what I expected, but certainly not this. I am shocked. I am so happy. This just came to perfection. The egg is cooked perfectly. Honestly, no oil at all, and it just cooked it to perfection. I'm really happy with this product. I'm really happy with this pan, how it turned out. So I definitely must say that if you like and if you cook a lot, this is definitely a must-have.